Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to fully jailbreak your Fire Stick for free movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports. I'm going to make this super easy. I'm going to show you the best store, the #1 store with all the updates and all the available fixes that come out right away as soon as something is available. Okay, so this is the most up-to-date store, the most best setup, and the setup the most reliable, always works. This is why I always release these videos, because I give you guys all the new updates. So here I am on my Fire Stick. The first thing you want to do on your Fire Stick, we want to enable developer options. To do that, we want to go to settings. Once there, you want to go to my Fire TV or my device. You want to click inside. You see I have developer options. Maybe you don't have developer options, which is completely fine. If you don't have developer options, click on about. You'll see Fire TV for me, the name of my device. Simply highlight over just like that the name of your device. Might say Fire TV 4K, Max, Light, whatever it says. Click on it 8 times in the middle of the D-pad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No need, you are already a developer. But for you, it will say now you are a developer. So when you click one back, you notice you have developer options. Now click one more back, and one more back. You'll be at this screen. Now go to find, go to search, click inside of the search box. Now you can use the Alexa button on your remote, or you can type it in. You want to search for downloader. You can use the keyboard or this. Downloader. I opted for the Alexa voice command. And be careful of all the fakes here. You're looking for the one with 600 reviews, the orange icon with the big white D right in the middle. You want to click right on that, and that's going to take you to another screen. Now on this screen, you want to press the download button. Now on this screen, you're now going to open it up. After it downloads, it's going to notify us here that it installed successfully. And we're not going to open it up yet. There's a couple of things we have to do after downloading it. So let it download, and then we'll take the next steps. Once it downloads, it'll start installing, but we're not going to open up like I said. We're going to get a notification. We're just going to hit the home screen. Okay, so let's do that. Now we have downloader installed. The next step we have to take to get the unlinked application is go to find, go to search, and in this box, just simply type in IPVanish. This is going to allow us to connect to the unlinked servers to be able to get all the applications. So IPVanish, just like that. Let's type that in. Highlight IPVanish, click on it to search for it. Now, you're looking for this orange icon, not any fake ones, called IPVanish. So if you notice here, you'll see a lot of icons, but the one we're looking for is the black icon here next to the orange icon, depending how it displays on your Fire Stick, but you want to highlight IPVanish. And how you know you're getting the real apps, as lately there have been some fake apps popping up in the Amazon store, including this orange downloader icon, which I showed you. There was some fakes earlier in the video. You're looking for a white P, green font, black background, and about 94,000 reviews. So the reviews are the big giveaway here in the Amazon store, making sure you're getting the right software. So once you highlight IPVanish, highlight it over, 94,000 reviews. You want to click on the IPVanish software, and you want to press the download button. That's going to queue it, and it's going to download and install the IPVanish software. Here we are, it's queued, and the installation process should start. And once it downloads, we're going to be able to open it up, and we're going to be able to log into the IPVanish VPN, okay? Give it a minute while it downloads. And once it downloads, it's going to start installing it. Once it installs, you're going to get a notification. We're going to open the app. Now, you're going to be prompted to log in with your own username and password. On this screen, I'm going to log in with my email and my password to get shown username and password, to be fully protected, fully anonymous, fully safe, and to be able to get updates and unlinked and all the apps, and for sports, free movies, and to get all the links to work. Run a VPN connected to US server to even connect to unlinked. Internet service providers have been blocking access. Therefore, you need a VPN to even get inside of unlinked and to download these applications. To do that, you can simply scan the barcode with your phone camera right here. Or you can type in this link, this link right here. Also in the comment, the link is there. Also in the description, the clickable link is there. Or scan it with your phone, whatever is easier. When you land on that page, for full transparency, there's a small cost associated there. It's about $2 and change to get your own account. Sign up for your own account using my affiliate page. You're going to get about 83% off. It's an amazing deal. You can use this on unlimited devices, meaning I can use this on 10 Fire Sticks, on TV box, Android box, NVIDIA Shield, MacBooks, Android phones, all across one account will work. So you can pause the video if you need to take care of that. Scan that barcode with your phone camera, go to the links here. Now, when you go into the landing page, you should have 83% off, full transparency. It's $2 and change, like a latte at Starbucks per month. That's how much it costs. And you'll be fully set up, very cheap, very fast, and works perfectly fine with unlinked. So once you're on the landing page, sign up, choose your package, 83% off through this links, and put in your email address when you sign up, create your own password, then sign up. Once you get the sign up email notification, simply verify your account by clicking the link they email you, and then once on your Fire Stick, you can log in by putting your email and password, and you'll be able to log in with those details. So you would put in the email you signed up with and the password and press the login button. I'm going to log in with my details, and I'll show you the next step to set this up with the unlinked application, okay? Once you log in with your details, all you have to do is go to the gear icon right here, connect on Android Startup, flick it to the on position just like that. Once you're done that, click one back, go to the location. In the location, you'll see countries. You want to scroll down to the United States to be able to get into unlinked. So let's scroll down to the United States. Doesn't matter where in the world you are. Choose a US server that's going to give you the most content. Highlight the US server, say favorite United States, and click on it. It's going to put a yellow star. Click on it again and say connect to United States. Now what's going to happen, this is going to turn green after pressing the OK, of course. To connection request, press the OK, and this is going to turn green. Okay, and it's going to connect you somewhere here in the United States to a VPN. There's our IP address, and we're fully connected, fully protected. So you can sign up with these details here. I'm leaving it on the screen as well. If you haven't signed up yet, it's $2 and change. It's going to keep you protected. It's going to give you full access to updates and unlinked and all these applications and more links and more content. Okay, let's press the home button once you're done that. Now, in this stage, once we press the home button, we can open up our downloader application and do all those things. But we have to check in if unknown sources is enabled. So settings, My Fire TV, and developer options. Remember we did that? And install unknown apps now. And we see that the downloader is in the off position. We want to make sure we turn that on. So we did that by going to our developer options under My Fire TV, My Device. Very important, we have to do this for the downloader application, then we have to do this for the unlinked application. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through how to do this, okay? So once you do that now we can start up the downloader application, My Apps and Games, and let's start up downloader with our VPN running. It'll present you with a screen like this. Now, what you want to do on this screen, press OK, click one up, highlight this in the yellow, and simply put in the following URL. We're going to put in unlinked .link is what we want to put in. Let's put that in, unlinked.link, and once you put in unlinked.link, simply press that go button. Now, without touching anything, this will pop up and it should automatically download for you. If the VPN is on and if you're connected to the server, it should download the website for you. And as you can see, I can move the red cursor up and down, left to right. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down and click on download APK Android in the middle of our D-pad. Now, what's going to happen, it's going to pop up and it's going to start downloading the unlinked application. It's about 3.9 megabytes, should be pretty quick. You can see it, it's pulling this into my device right now. And when it pulls it into my device, it'll start installing it automatically. So I'm just going to press the install button, but I'm not going to press the open button. I'm simply just going to press the done button, okay? Because we have to do one final step. Press the delete and press the delete to delete the installation file. We're going to press the home button once we're done that. Now we're going to go again here, and I'm showing this to you for the second time, what do we need to do for these applications. And we also need to do this for some media players and some other apps. We need to enable this in the settings. We always need to check the permissions and My Fire TV and developer options, install unknown apps, and you can see unlinked is here. You turn it on. So you got to do this for the media players, for some apps if they require these permissions. Okay, click 5 times back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And once we're here now, we can start up the unlinked application, My Apps and Games. And we're going to move the application to the front to make it easier for us. Highlight unlinked, hold the middle of the D-pad, and move it all the way up to our menu. We're going to do the same with IP Vanish. Hold the middle of their D-pad and move it up to the top menu. When you press home now, these apps should be here at the front, and you can move all these apps as well later if you install any. Open up the unlinked application by clicking on it. You'll be presented with this screen. Press the new library button here. This will blink right here. You want to click inside and you want to put in the following code. Firestick lowercase. So let's put that. Firestick all lowercase. We're going to put that. Okay. Once you put the code Firestick lowercase, you're going to press the next button. Now on this screen, it's a very important screen that's going to pop up. It's not going to be blurred out when you're doing this at home on your Firestick. It lists the best applications and which ones to use. I update this list every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. I give you all the updates. What are the best apps and what are working the best? Now, you might be tempted to hit the enter button. Don't hit the enter button. Just take a picture of this, write it down, whatever you need to do, because these are the apps you want to be installing from the My Unlinked store. Press the back arrow and press the back arrow to get out of the store. Now simply press on the Unlinked store again to relaunch the store. And you'll notice when you go in, you'll be presented with this. Hit New Tech Apps to expand that icon. Now, for presentation purposes, I'm in Firestick Tools. Scroll up and down, left to right. You see below is the best sports apps. And if you go right below, top movie app, top TV show apps, all that stuff is listed in my store. It's organized in a way to make it super easy for you to load your stuff. And it's all updated and it's all working. Okay, so once you find your favorite app that you want to install, you would just highlight it and press download. This is just for presentation purposes. The app would start pulling into your Firestick. And once it pulls in, it will pop up and ask you to install app. I press install app and press install. The app would be installed. I can scroll up and down, left to right to get more applications, to get anything you want and to get that set up. Okay, great. Works super easy and very easy to do. Now, hit the home button and you can notice I can go back to the Unlinked store and continue getting these applications. Once I install them, they would pop in under My Apps and Games. And you would see them here, and you can move them to the front as you wish as well. Just like I moved the other apps to the front. There you go. And that moves that app to the front. Okay? And you can load as many as you want. Now, for this entire process, I'll show you. I was connected for 5 minutes to a VPN. You could see how things were happening quickly. A lot of people have a concern that if they run a VPN, things will slow down. They will not be able to enjoy content. If IP Vanish, with the servers being so fast and all updated, you're going to get super high speeds. It works great. I've tested this, so you don't have to worry about that. It's $2 and change for an account to get more links, to get updates and all that stuff. If you haven't taken advantage, the links are in the description, in the pinned comment, also in the description. Also, you can scan this QR code right here or go to this link. That'll get you 82% off, $2 per month. It's like a latte at Starbucks. Get ready, get set up, be safe, be anonymous, and get more content and updates in the Unlinked application. Okay, so that pretty much wraps it up. And I don't have a 4-digit PIN in my store. I haven't put one in, but some people have been knocking off my content, even my thumbnails for my videos, just trying to be me. I don't know what the issue is, but in any case, I might one day, because I see millions of people using my code, and some of them are from other channels and other places. So I haven't put a pin lock in my store because we all know that I have the #1 store on YouTube for Firestick. I haven't put a pin lock. But if I do put it in the future, the people that are going to get the pin lock are the people that comment on this exact video. You can drop a comment. What's your favorite food? Do you have a cat? Do you have a dog? What's your favorite place? Anything, just a simple hi or pin code, whatever you want to say below this video. And if I do put a 4-digit pin code, if you watch your YouTube and you're active on YouTube and you're subscribed to this channel and you hit that bell icon for notification, you'll get the notification with the pin lock. So make sure you do that, okay? I don't ask for money. I don't ask for donations. It's the only thing I ask for. Follow me on X in the description. The link is there as well. Lots of good information on X. You're going to get a lot of updates, things like that. So make sure you follow me on X. We got 1,800 people going on there. We're trying to reach 2,000. You guys are amazing. You are the help to do that. Okay, that's pretty much it. Hope this works. Also comment if some apps didn't work. Let me know which ones don't work, which ones need updating. And we'll go from there. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And I'll see you all in the next video. Have a beautiful, wonderful day. Take care.